Welcome to our channel. In this video, I talked about some simple and low-cost ways to understand market better. I shared tools, methods, and useful advice to help you make good choices and make your business grow. When you want to attract more customers, it's important to understand what they like. This is where market research helps. Think of market research as detective work that shows you who your customers are and what makes them buy things. Market research involves gathering information about the people you want to sell to. It's a key part of planning your business. There are two main ways to do this. Primary research. This means collecting information yourself. You can talk to people, ask them questions, or watch how they use your products. It's like getting to know someone very well. Secondary research. This involves looking at information that others have already collected. It's like reading notes that someone else has taken. You can use reports, articles, or see what people are saying about similar products on social media. Knowing what your customers like helps you save time and money. You can then adjust your products, prices, or marketing to make them more appealing. Market research also includes two types of data collections. Qualitative research. This is like having a casual chat or group discussion to understand people's thoughts and feelings. It's usually less expensive and more relaxed. Quantitative research. This involves using forms, surveys, or other methods to collect numerical data. It helps you make decisions based on solid information. Understanding how to do market research is important because it helps you figure out what your customers want, what they don't like, and how much they are willing to pay. This way you can improve your products or services and stay ahead of your competitors. Let's talk about how you can do market research for your small business in a simple and effective way. Start by making up some imaginary customers. These personas are detailed descriptions of the types of people who might buy your products or services. Find real people who match these personas. Use the internet to connect with them if you don't have direct access. Ask open-ended questions that let people share their thoughts and opinions freely. Avoid leading them in any specific direction. You can use online surveys or video calls to gather information. These tools are easy to use and can help you get valuable feedback. Use the feedback you collect to make improvements to your business. Keep monitoring if these changes are effective and make adjustments as needed. Even if you have a small budget, you can still do good market research by using your time wisely and asking the right questions. Look for reliable websites that end with .gov, .edu, or .org, such as the Small Business Administrations. Check out trade associations related to your industry for useful insights. See what your competitors are doing on their websites and social media. Read customer reviews on sites like Yelp to understand what people like or dislike about your competitors. Market research is like a treasure hunt. By gathering clues about your customers, you can make your business stand out. It's an ongoing process, and with some effort, you can discover valuable insights to help your business grow. Use free tools to find out what words people use to search for businesses like yours. This helps you choose the right words to use in your online content, making your businesses easier to find. Platforms like SEMrush show you the ads that your competitors are running and how successful they are. This can help you understand their strategies and come up with your own ideas. Use tools that track current trends to see what's popular. Spotting trends early can give you a competitive edge by allowing you to adapt before others do. By using these methods, you can gather useful information and make smart decisions to improve your business. Big companies invest a lot of money to understand what their customers want. You can learn from their strategies by observing how they handle their marketing and products. For example, check their websites and social media to see how they attract and engage their customers. Use these insights to gather smart ideas for your own small business. As a business owner, you might think you understand your customers well. However, you could be missing important details. Market research helps you find out what your customers really like and dislike about your business. By listening to their feedback, you can make improvements that satisfy them and help your business grow. If market research seems overwhelming, begin with simple steps. For example, look at reviews on your page. These reviews are like direct feedback from people who have used your business. They offer a free and easy way to understand what your customers think and what they might want more of. Let us discuss some market research tools and websites. Google Trends. It shows how popular certain search terms are over time. You can see how often people are searching for specific topics. This helps businesses understand that is currently trending and what people are interested in. SurveyMonkey is a tool for creating online surveys. You can use it to ask questions and collect feedback from people. It helps businesses gather opinions and insights from their customers or target audience. Statista provides statistics and data on various topics. You can find charts and graphs about market trends, consumer behavior, and more. It is useful for getting reliable data for market research. Qualtrics is a platform for creating detailed surveys and collecting data. It offers advanced features for analyzing the results and understanding customer feedback. Businesses use it to get deep insights into market trends. SEMrush is a tool for checking website performance and keyword rankings. It helps businesses see how their website compares to competitors and find opportunities to improve their online presence. Ahrefs helps analyze website backlinks and keyword rankings. It's useful for understanding how well a website is performing and finding ways to increase traffic by improving search engine optimization. Mintel provides detailed market research reports and consumer data. It offers insights into various industries and helps businesses understand market trends and consumer preferences. Nielsen tracks consumer behavior and media usage. It provides data on how people interact with TV, internet, and other media. Businesses use this information to target their advertising more effectively. Gartner offers research and advisory services. It provides reports and analysis on technology and market trends. Companies use Gartner insights to make informed decisions about their strategies and investments. Euromonitor provides global market research reports and data. It covers various industries and helps businesses understand market dynamics, consumer behavior, and competitive landscapes. These tools and websites can help businesses gather important information about their markets, customers, and competitors. By using them, companies can make better decisions and stay ahead in their industries. Thanks for watching this and engaging with us. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I would like to receive your support. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel.